So many software industries are looking for the Python developers, but every fresh engineering graduate students are not interested or not enough skills that the students having, right? So why this is happening? Because of not having the proper basic skills about the Python, and there is no much proper concentration, and there is no, we are not giving proper value to that particular course, because we don't know how, from where to we start and from where to we exactly begin the things, how we are going to learn the things, and what is exactly happening, where from where we need to study all the things, that we are lagging because we don't have the that much of skills to learn the things. So in this channel, we are going to providing a Python tutorials of basics from the scratch to advanced. So we are going to be discussed in these sessions from the basics till from point to point with the execution of all the programs from starting till what is the programs from hello world program to till what is the program which ends maybe the maps, how to design the maps, and also we are going to discuss about the line plots, bar charts, pie charts with the help of both Excel sheet data as well as by taking some list data or tuples data, or so many things are there. With the help of that, we are going to discuss each and everything with neat explanation with so much of clarity. If you have any doubts, you can verify there itself. So now let's start our session. So myself Srinivaslu, I'm the tutor of this Python. So you will be enjoy thoroughly with this course. So let's go to this session. So before going into this session, we need to know what are the application of this one. So you need to know each and everything. What is this one? Everyone are right. The most common thing in this 2020 generation people are very familiar with this word called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence bring a lot of changes in the human application as well as the so many things. This Python is one of the major leading technology in the artificial intelligence, and also with the machine learning, data science, all these are things of the children of the this artificial intelligence. And next one is what, in the Python you will use this artificial intelligence so much in each and every application you are using. And second application I'm going to talk about is YouTube. Very familiar, right? As we are posting videos in the YouTube and we are uploading this one, and someone has been viewed that video, but you are not very much clarity about what is happening in the YouTube, whether in the YouTube there may be a program will be involved, right? In that programming, what which programming is most favorably using, whether Python is a part of this one, whether there is a role of Python in YouTube. Yes, there exactly one major role is playing Python in the YouTube. I will show here it. So here I can see this is our channel. So by clicking on this, so what is the role of Python in this one? You are telling that you are been telling that you Python is playing a major role in the YouTube also. Have you ever seen this share button? Correct, right? This share button, this share button is developed with the help of the Python code itself. So this share button is has been developed with the help of the Python. And moreover, you can see here, so this we talked, right? Artificial intelligence playing major role, and Python with YouTube also, and Google Maps. Google Maps also in the creation of in the generation of Google Maps. So with the help of the Python only, with the help of Python, nowadays Google Maps are also creating. Recently, I have also know about the things with the help of Python. Either Google Maps has been created, and what how to create that and all recently I have been learned, and so many games also created with help of the Python, and we can see so many charts, like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and bar graphs to show the number of immigrants from our nation to another country, or number of immigrants, how much area is defected by such a, whether a cyclone or anything, that all the percentage we can have a capability to determine in the form of either pie chart or bar graph in so many things, right? That all things should be done with the help of the Python. And moreover, now we are going to discuss such things. So this is Python for beginner. So now our latest task starts from here. First, the introduction. Python has been started over the year of 1998. Okay, this has been developed by famous scientist called Judo Van Rossum. Judo Van Rossum is the one of the famous scientists who have been discovered this Python with help of, why he has been developed this Python is to reduce the code complexity, because in, if you observe in C++, the code complexity is more. You have to write a number of lines of codes, but you don't know whether which line you have been mistakenly written wrong in which rank, or if things you need to overcome, right? To overcome all these things, Judo thought that people are confusing so much about those things, so I need to develop some such thing which will not be confused, and it will be useful, and it can be understandable by huge human language. It means it can be understandable by every man who are pursuing the graduation, so they only understand, right? Like others cannot understand. Those who are wants to learn the things and about the Python, they only understand, right? So in such a way, Guido think that, and he has been developed Python in 1998, and he has developed such that this is the one of the major invention and greatest thing that has been done by Guido van Rossum. But before talking about the Python, what are the softwares that are available? But first we should think why this programming is required. Correct, right? Whenever you are learning something new, you should know about it, why it is required, where and all this is useful for me, whether it is applicable for my studies or particular area. That and all you will think before whenever you are choosing something, right? So before going into this course or programming, we should understand why it is required, whether it is useful for me, whether I am able to understand, and this is I can applicable anywhere. That should be you can thoroughly discuss before itself when you are taking a new decision. So humans like us, we are communicating each other with, like whatever the language in that particular area, that language we are pursuing and we are communicating each other. But if you want to communicate with the machine, like computers, laptops, these are things, right? Computers, laptops, or robotics, you should, everyone are aware of these things. To communicate with these things, because they don't know our language, right? So if you want to communicate with them, or else if you are going to a new place but you don't know that language, then what you will do? Whether you should learn that language, or else you should be communicate in such a way that what they will understand in such manner, right? So in such a way you need to communicate with the computer. You should learn the language that is called binary language. It means whatever you are giving the input from the keyboard, that will be in the CPU process, and it will be converted into binary form, whether zeros or one. Binary number means binary means two. So it will be either 0 or it will be 1. So it has to convert, and that will be understandable by the computer, and that will be again the processing data will be converted into our language and gives the output. So this has to be developed. So to communicate with the major thing to required programming is especially to communicate with the computer. That is the major thing. This is not required, but to understand more better, I am telling all these things. Next, what are all the softwares that we have to utilize the Python? Python, we have directly Python software itself, Python 3.8.9, and we have another software called Anaconda Python, and we have third thing is, so those are the you need to install and you can run, or else you want to directly do in online itself. We have ID1, and we have another thing called Colab. 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 This is latestly launched by the Google. And in Anaconda itself, we have so many things. In Anaconda itself, in Anaconda Python itself, we have so many things. In that case, what we have means Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. Currently, I am using this one itself. And another thing is Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab. You will understand betterly when I am going to tell all these things, installation steps and all. So don't worry about this. And ID1. And we can also have Autumn. This is like a command prompt. You can store the data and you can use. Okay. These and all things. So I am going to show all these things. Okay. So, okay, if you want to install the Python 3.8.9, so go for Google search and Python latest version. Then you can see here Python latest version download for choose whether according to your system, whether your system is Windows 10 or Windows 32, whether it may be 32-bit or 64-bit. So then click here itself, and you will be going to get an interface like this. So you can choose from here. Downloads latest version is uploaded to 3.9.0. So according to here, you can use so many versions are available here. So according to your processor, whether it is a 64-bit or Mac version or Linux or Windows, according to that you can choose and you can download from here when you want to use download version of this one. And next one is ID1. ID1, this is a online, purely online version. So you can clear this one and you can use for any language whichever you want. This is one of the software you can use so many things. It means like C, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, anything, anything code by choosing the correct option from here. So let's say I'm choosing Python 3. So you can write my code here itself. Okay. This is one. And Anaconda Python also there. Let's go here. Anaconda Python download. So I will go here. So individual addition in the documentation install Anaconda, which is not required. Python Anaconda, installing Anaconda and problem solving with Python. So if you go over there, so there are the steps. So it will coming like this one. Go to following links download. So I'm going here itself. So you can see whether you will be able to install or not. So if you are in successful on installation, it is okay. Or else I'll make another video of installation of this install Anaconda. By clicking on itself, you can over clearly see because I have already installed this one. So I will show that interface also whether how it is going to be look. Okay, don't worry about that. I will clearly show. And I am the ID1 also. Atom is not installed in my laptop. Don't worry. And Colab by Google. Colab by Google you need to see from here itself. Collab by Google. From there, what you will observe, right? So you can search from here collab. by Google. So when you search, you will be getting. Oh, sorry, I have been typed mistakenly. So collab. So you can when you click on here itself, you will be going to an interface like this one. So you can change from here itself. And this is also like Jupyter Notebook. One of the famous things, one of the advantage what here it is, you will write the code as well as the text. It means some like documentation to remember the things easily. It means you are writing set of lines of codes. Now you today you are written, and day after tomorrow you came and you saw, but you are not striking what this one. So to understand this one, you will be writing by putting an hashtag symbol, then it will be becoming like a comment, so you will be able to understand the code by itself. Oh, what is this line? So this line is for this one, this line is used for this one. So in this way this interface is going to be helpful. So if you are not able to get it all the things at a time, so I'll be provide all the links of this one in the comment box, or else no, sorry, in the description, so you will be able to download all the things. Okay, so this is how for this session entire for things. So in next session onwards we are going into this one. Oh, sorry, I have been mentioned that I'll be show the interface of Juke Anaconda Python, right? So okay, sorry for the inconvenience. My system is going to be sorry. Okay. So this is the interface of Anaconda. So you can see over here, you can run this one, you can use this one, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell, PyCharm is also available, IPython console, RStudio, Orange 3, Visual Studio, Spider. Once you can install the Anaconda, you will be able to get all the softwares within itself. Whatever you will like, you can use that one for free. There is no charges will be carried out for the installation for the uses of all these things. Okay, I hope this session is very clear. So we'll meet in the next session very soon with the topics called Python from the starting topics. Okay, let's hope this session is clear. Thank you for watching.